Forget Wall Street movies and gut feelings. The most powerful players in finance today don't shout into phones, they write code. They speak the language of mathematics, turning market chaos into a clear signal. This is quantitative finance, where data, not drama, is king. In this video, we'll crack the quant code, what it is, why it's changing money, and what it takes to join the people building its future. Section 1. The problem with traditional investing. Traditional investing is an emotional roller coaster. A stock goes up, you're a genius. It goes down, you panic. Decisions get clouded by fear and greed. For an aspiring quant, finance can feel like an intimidating black box. What if you could swap gut feelings for hard statistical evidence? That's the core promise of quantitative finance, applying math to find predictable patterns and creating a logical system free from emotional baggage. Section 2. The core components of the quant world. So what does a quant do? At its heart, it's using the scientific method. This boils down to key pillars. First, mathematical modeling. Quants use probability, statistics, and stochastic calculus to model the random nature of stock prices. Second is knowledge of financial instruments, especially derivatives like options and futures. This leads to pricing and valuation, using models like the famous black skulls. Finally, and most importantly, is risk management. Quants obsess over not losing money, using techniques like value at risk, VAR, to understand worst-case scenarios. Section 3. The modern quant's toolkit. To turn math into money-making strategies, a quant needs a serious toolkit. The critical skill is programming. Python is popular for its data analysis libraries, but for high-frequency trading, where every microsecond counts, C++ is still king. This requires strong data analysis skills. Quants are data detectives, using SQL to hunt for patterns. Increasingly, the toolkit includes machine learning and AI to predict market movements and build automated trading bots, the absolute cutting edge of finance. Section 4. The man who solved the market. The ultimate proof is Jim Simons, the quant king. Not a finance guy, Simons was a legendary mathematician and codebreaker. He founded Renaissance Technologies to treat financial data as a code to be cracked. He hired mathematicians and physicists, not MBAs, who saw the market as a giant dataset. They built systems to exploit tiny patterns no human could see. The results? Their medallion fund averaged returns around 66% before fees for over 30 years, dwarfing legends like Warren Buffett. It proved a scientific approach could solve the market. Section 5. The different flavors of quants. Quant isn't one job, it's an umbrella term. The quantitative analyst or researcher is the architect, designing the mathematical models. The quantitative developer is the builder, writing the high-performance code to execute them. The quantitative trader is on the front lines, deploying and monitoring automated strategies. You also have specialized roles like the risk quant. Each role needs a different skill mix, all built on the same foundation of math, stats, and code. Quantitative finance has rewritten the rules, replacing intuition with data and guesswork with science. The path isn't easy. It demands a solid foundation in math, statistics, and programming. But it's a field where a love for data gives you a powerful edge. If this sparked your curiosity and you want to learn the skills you'll need, subscribe and ring that notification bell. Let us know in the comments what part of quant finance is most fascinating. Thanks for watching.